Okay, salam sejahtera to Dota. My name is MOHD. So now I would like to explain about our assignment for the computer security subject. So based on the introduction, we have the packet sniffing for the power tool. It's a powerful tool that can be used to gather, collect, log, and analyze network packets that pass through a network. So in this project we will explore the concept of packet sniffing and how to use it to improve our security of the network. So the aim of the project is we provide the comprehensive understanding of the practice of packet sniffing and its application in network security and analysis. After that, the project will cover the foundation knowledge of the TCP or IP and OSI model, which are important to understand about how network work and develop into the different type of network package such as HTTP, ARP. So our scope is the foundation about the knowledge of TCP or IP and OSI model, and we will cover different type of network such as HTTP, ARP, DNS, TCP, and UDP. So after that, we will also the packet sniffing practice. So we will try to do the packet sniffing and then the network security and analysis for our project. So the next part I would like to let another member to explain about it. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rais, and I will present you. I will be presenting the simulation I use. This is Wajah, and then we can select which connection that we want to sniff. This is the Wi-Fi, and as you can see, there's a lot of packets that have been sent. A lot of people are using the Wi-Fi, so there's a lot of traffic. And then, yeah, that is it. Yeah. And then you can look at one of them if you want, and this will be the details then. All of them is here: the port, destination port, host port, and then the time, checksum, and then the IP address is also here, I think. And then yeah, the protocol, the frame, everything is in here. Now for for visualize the attacks that can be done, we go to Panda. This is just someone made this to help view the packets, and the image of that one, and the password is password 2010 with the capital P. Yeah, you can see here from packets 150. This one is just the logout. Yeah, logout and logout from type Panda. Okay, then next, if we look at this next, from down here, we are going to see the username and the password. Look at this. Since this network is not secure, or not the network, the server is not secure, We are going to get something like this. Admin and password. Yeah, that's basically it. The sniffing. Okay, thank you for listening. There's no problem. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NADZIR bin Muhammad ZAMRI. My card matric is CE200085. So today I am from Group 3 of Computer Security, and I will be talking about the data and analysis of from the explanation that have been given from my friends, which is Rais. So without further ado, let's jump to our data analysis. Okay, let's see from the explanation. The explanation of packet snippings, as the Rais already told you, that using Wireshark we can sniff and we can go through the logs of the activities around the networks, that around the same networks. So let's say when we connect to the UTHM Wi-Fi, and then we can check the logs of the user of the Wi-Fi, such as their IP address and what are the browser that they are using, just like that. And then from the figure one, sniffer, as from the figure one, as the Rais already told you, the practice of sniffing is the we call it as passive sniffing, which is the sniffers only take a look at of the logs and gather the information from the IP address, such as password and username. So as we can see, the most benefit things from packet sniffing is they can look up the traffic not only from the computer which is they are running, but also the people that use in this on the same networks, just like I said just now. And then, but as if you want to know the limitation of packet sniffing, that they have limited to decrypt the SSL traffic without obtaining the server certificate, because they will intercepting the network traffic, which is the where the protocol analyzer is running. Okay, to protect the sensitive data from intercepted, user must use the encryption and never send sensitive information over the unencrypted connection, and ensure that all computers on a network are adequately protected with antivirus and firewall. Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my name is AIMAN bin MUDDASSIR, and I will now continue the presentation for the discussion part. Okay, Wireshark packet sniffing feature make it possible to record and examine network data. From the Wireshark software simulation, we can see the packet in the Wi-Fi connection. In Wireshark, a packet refers to the data transmission over a network. It includes details like the payload, the protocol type such as TCP, UDP, and etc., and the source and destination address such as the actual data being transmitted. Since Wireshark lists every packet that was sent or received, we can use the filter to let us quickly find the packet we need. As a result from this project, we are able to use Wireshark software to monitor the Wi-Fi connection network activity, sniffing for password for a certain username, and also capture and analyze network traffic. Okay, next is the conclusion part. In conclusion, learning about network communication and packet analysis through the Wireshark packet sniffing project was really beneficial. The use of Wireshark sophisticated filtering and visualization also permitted a deeper examination of network traffic and the discovery of potential security risks. The research served as an example of the value of packet sniffing in network security as well as the ongoing monitoring and analysis that is required to guarantee the confidentiality and safety of network communication. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.